Sí, estamos grabando.
Yo lo voy a decir en inglés.
Está bien.
Okay. How are you doing, everybody? Listen, this is not like the video I always do. Este no es un video que yo siempre hago. Yo siempre hago videos de chiste. This is not that. Este es un video de motivation. When I started over there doing the video, the funny video, the haha video to make you laugh, I don't do it for nothing. I just do it because I like it. Everybody say, oh my God, stop it. You're not funny. You know this, you know that. You're stupid. I said, no, you're stupid, my friend. And then I kept doing it. I do it. Now I get paid, I get money for doing what I like to do it. So when somebody tells you to not do what you like to do, telling you stupid, shut up. So para enseñarle, yo no estoy alabanceando, I'm not doing this to show you que I'm the best. Over here I have $5,000 que no me hacen falta. I don't need this money. This money I make it doing what I like. Yo, pero no, hey, ay, me van a matar.